This evening, there are renewed calls from residents in Richmond, St. Mary for repairs to be carried out on a bridge along the Boxing Plant Road. The residents say they are afraid to use the bridge, but have little choice as the alternative route is not a viable option. Sashali Hamilton has their story.
This bridge along the Boxing Plant Main Road in Richmond, St. Mary, is the bone of contention for residents. It's been in a deplorable state for quite some time. In fact, it was closed a year ago because of its condition. But in October, 6 months after its closure, and following complaints from residents that this was affecting their livelihoods, Communication Manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, announced that a first phase of work was to be done on the bridge. While the repairs were to be ongoing, Works Minister Everald Warmington asked the NWA to open the bridge to facilitate single-lane traffic for smaller vehicles and pedestrians only. But residents say not much has been done on the bridge since, and they have safety concerns.
No, sir, it's scary though, because we don't know when it will break down, We just have to take a risk, A chance we have to take. You see it?
No feel safe. This can break off anytime, But we don't have no choice. We have to go up on this bridge. We don't have no choice, and the road runs so bad, mash up the car them.
It can collapse anytime. I mean, we don't want to be one for, it collapse with people in the car and we get injured and things.
The residents say they have little choice but to use the defective bridge since the alternative route is also in poor condition.
The other route is Marlborough and it is also in a deplorable state. So people see it fit to use the other side of the bridge that is not damaged. And that is why people are currently squeezing through. But it is not okay.
They want the NWA to urgently repair the bridge.
We think we're asking them to really start to render some assistance. No, I think it is time now because it really affects us. And we don't have no other choice. Marlborough Road bad, dig up. We have no choice front end parts of me to drive there, lepo. All around the way. We can't manage it. It's very hectic.
I just say, but if they can fix it freeway. Yeah, that we can have a free to and from. Yeah, man. We'd appreciate that, man.
NWA Communication Manager Stephen Shaw responded to the concerns.
We did a first phase of work that involved some revetment to protect sections of the invert that were actually exposed. Now there is another phase of works to be done, and that phase we have actually put to tender. And thereafter, if all is in place, then we expect that some activities will take place there in short order.
Sashali Hamilton, TVJ News.